Hi, Ron from Clarity. In this video, we're going to walk through the functionality of a Clarity marketplace that we designed and built for an entrepreneur that had a great idea that wanted to build, launch, then sell it, and we helped them accomplish all that and more. I'm sure most of you have either heard of or seen AutoTrader.com. The site was basically AutoTrader.com, but for horse trailers. The concept was to put together a marketplace where anyone selling a horse trailer could post and sell it online. Simple, right? Well, on the surface, yes, but there are a number of issues with building a custom, sort of expensive site with how do you monetize the platform fully? How do you not only drive people to the site, but how do you get them to keep coming back? How do you ensure a fresh batch of trailers? How do you market and keep an audience if they come to the site but can't find exactly what they're looking for? This custom design marketplace solved all these issues and more. Let's take a look. To start off, we needed to come up with a design, so our client engaged us to not only design the marketplace, but additionally the branding, printed, and marketing collateral is shown here. Next, we needed to figure out how to finance the site and keep it full of trailers, so it became a place that many people came to shop for trailers online. Instead of hoping just to attract and market to a few people, we started with the dealers and manufacturers. This site would give them an opportunity to more easily market their trailers to a larger, more nationwide audience, especially for those used trailers that were just traded in and sitting on their lots. So we designed a dealer and manufacturer online directory where they could hang an online shingle, showcase their dealership, contact details, and links to their site and social accounts. It also meant that they could list many trailers on the site, which could be filtered to them as a seller. We also designed in multiple areas within the design where there were additional advertising opportunities. So not only were there trailer listing fees, additional marketing fees, there were directory listing fees, premium listing fees, advertising fees, as well as marketing and sales data that could be purchased so dealers and manufacturers could receive reports on which types of trailers, what price range, and more were trending and being purchased. One final customization we added was to help both the buyers and sellers address the problem if a trailer was wanted but not available. We designed a custom feature called the Trailer Scout. If a buyer didn't find exactly what they were looking for, they could simply fill in the request form, and this would automatically be sent to all the dealers so they could look to see if they could find and locate one that matched their criteria. As soon as it was listed on the site, a notification would be sent to the buyer automatically that their trailer was located and ready for purchase. So, that's a quick review of a custom Clarity marketplace that we designed, built, and launched, and was so successful that it was acquired within 6 months of being taken into production. Thanks for watching.